Well, I guess we can find life lessons even inside our garden situation here. As we can see, it was definitely a cold night, and it's kind of showing you some places can go down in such situations, while at the same time, in the strangest little cuts of places, you can find something that finds that it actually finds itself standing very strong in such a moment when, as you can see there, that's looking so beautiful as it's coming through and everything, you know. And there we have it as we look and we see certain things take a hit, the power go out, and that is it. And then you see those things that continue on. And so these are life lessons for us as we look and we see how the power goes out on certain things, and then certain things we see as it just continues on and continue to make its way. And we can see here our asparagus tree um, within it. It's still got plenty that's showing to be going forward in power. And then over there, we look and we say, the powers went down on there. And so we learn life lessons on this journey as we look through and we say, there's another power source down, another one there, and look at there. Now look at there, power. So we see power here. So some places sometimes can be found to be equipped, and some places sometimes not properly prepared for the moment, the power can go down. And so we can see over here as power is generated, you know, and we look over here and we say everything's going down here. And so we look as we trail and we can see that power has went down in certain places, you know. There are certain places that has endured the hit. And so these are life lessons for us to learn along the journey, to make sure that we are properly equipped, realizing that even these could have been properly equipped if the right covering would have been over it for this specific season. But for a lesson to learn, these things are here. So in a time of trouble and you take a hit, you learn a lesson from it, and next time you know to be more prepared, and you'll be like the ones who are equipped and still up and running when everything else is down. So these are life lessons for us. Blessings and peace to you all.